Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are making crispy atta chicken half moon with a spicy juicy chicken filling wrapped in a simple homemade dough. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup flour in a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ghee. Mix everything well until the ghee is evenly combined. Gradually add 1/3 cup water. Mix and knead until you get a smooth soft dough. Rub a little oil over the dough and keep it aside. Now let's prepare the chicken filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add half cup chicken. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 green chili. Season with half teaspoon salt, sprinkle in half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, add 1 teaspoon tandoori masala, add 3 tablespoon onion. Mix everything well so the chicken is evenly coated with the spices. Tandoori masala gives the chicken filling a bold and aromatic flavor. Cook everything for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chicken is fully cooked and the onion becomes tender. Finish with some fresh coriander leaves. Mix once more and keep the filling aside to cool. Now take a portion of the dough, roll it into a thin sheet. Take a glass and cut out neat round circle. Using a glass is an easy way to create perfectly round wrappers at home. Place some of the cooked chicken filling in the center. Apply little water around the edges. Fold the dough over to create a beautiful half moon shape. Press the edges firmly. Now seal the edges with a fork to create a neat pattern and make sure the filling stays inside. Half moon shaped snacks are popular in many cuisines around the world. Heat enough oil over medium heat. Carefully place the half moon into the hot oil. Fry over medium heat for a crisp outside and properly cooked filling. Fry until they become golden brown, crispy, and perfectly cooked. Your homemade atta chicken half moon is ready, crispy on the outside, juicy and spicy inside. These little half moon snacks are perfect for tea time parties or a family evening. Serve them fresh and enjoy every crunchy bite. Share this recipe with someone who loves homemade chicken snacks. Follow Enoven Foods for more easy recipes and delicious homemade treats.